I'm going to show you how to create a Rufus Bootable USB for Windows 10. Now, if you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Now, as you can see on my screen, you need to have Windows ISO file on your computer. I've already made a video on how to download Windows from official Microsoft website. So, in order to download Rufus, you will go to Google Chrome, open Google Chrome, and then go to search, and search for Rufus. Download. Then press enter. Then you will scroll down, and then you will come to this website, Softonic. So click on download, and then you will see the button for free download here for Windows. Just click on it. Then it will bring you to this page. Now you just need to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see the button for download here. Just click on it. Then your download has started. Then as you can see on the top there, this is the file. So you just need to double click on it to run it. Then run. Then just minimize this one. And minimize this one also again. So let us wait for the program to launch. Then OK. So you're going to click on next. Then accept. Then accept. So once this has finished, you're just going to click on run. Then Rufus will launch. So after you've done that, you will now go to, you now insert your USB drive on in your computer. Then you're going to close this. After you have inserted your USB in your computer, it will be automatically detected, as you can see at the top here. After you have downloaded Windows 10, now you are just going to click on select, then go to the location where your Windows 10 is. So I'll just click on this PC. Then as you can see, the process has begun. It is scanning image. Once it has finished, then you are going to select the partition scheme of your hard disk. So for mine it is M. Then for the file system, this is the file system format of your USB. Then once you've confirmed everything is okay, partition scheme is MBR. If yours is GBT, you can select GBT. Then once everything is okay, you are just going to click on start. You will do this after you have installed your Windows 10. So just click on OK. Then OK. Everything is going to be deleted in that USB. So I'll just click on OK. Then as you can see, the process has begun. So as you can see guys, it is finalizing and it is completed. So once it has completed, you just need to click on close. Then now if you go to your file explorer, then and maximize that, then go to this PC, then you will see this is the USB. This is the USB drive here. So if you open it, you will see Windows 10 has been extracted to this file. You can use this USB flash to install Windows on other computers or laptop. That's how you can create a Rufus Bootable USB for Windows 10. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.